Yeah, everything you guys mentioned, I agree with. As a Cody hater, though, I definitely liked Paul Heyman's mic drop moment more, literal mic drop moment more. That was really good. It takes a twisted kind of genius to come up with that and use those little details to deliver a sick, gut punching burn that will make you question everything that you thought you knew about your father. Diba? So that was really good work. Really, even better work for Heyman because he was the one who spun the yarn. He was the one who tied together Cody Rhodes and Roman Reigns. Cody just made the first step with the whole ECW story, but that was like Cody towards Heyman and not Cody towards Roman. Heyman made the connection between Cody and Roman and Dusty. So that was that was even better work from him. He is the MVP of this segment, bar none.